Rivers crisis: How Wike betrayed Tinubu, sabotaged his efforts, HURIWA, and now to the news info. The Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria HURIWA has strongly criticized the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Wike, for accusing Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara of betraying the presidential peace accord. In a statement issued on Monday, HURIWA argued that it was Wike, not Fubara, who sabotaged the accord brokered by President Bola Tinubu, labeling WIKE'S action as a breach of trust and an affront to the principle of governance. Reacting to WIKE'S recent media statement, HURIWA noted that WIKE'S claim of Fubara's alleged betrayal is unfounded and a deliberate attempt to mislead the public. The association pointed out that Governor Fubara demonstrated good faith and loyalty to the presidential directive by withdrawing a sensitive court case he was well positioned to win. This move, HURIWA argued, was a clear indication of Fubara's commitment to fostering peace and stability in Rivers State. While Fubara complied with the President's directive and withdrew a critical legal matter in a gesture of reconciliation, Wike continued to pursue multiple suits in various courts, culminating in a controversial judgment, declaring his factional speaker as legitimate. This is the ultimate betrayal of the accord and an insult to the President's efforts to mediate peace. The association further alleged that Wike's action exposed a pattern of political maneuvering aimed at undermining the Rivers State government and destabilizing the administration of Governor Fubara. According to HURIWA, Wike's loyalty to President Tinubu appears to be superficial and driven by personal interest rather than genuine commitment to national unity or governance. Wike's loyalty to the president is nothing more than window dressing. He continued legal battles against Governor Fubara's administration, shows a calculated effort to disrupt governance in Rivers State, and create a parallel power structure that benefits his political interests, HURIWA added. Yes. HURIWA dismissed Wike's calls for reconciliation as unnecessary, asserting that Governor Fubara does not need reconciliation with someone whose action would likely undermine the state's resources and governance. The association noted that the Rivers State Treasury is not a public purse to be allegedly plundered in the name of political compromise. They should give you the state treasure. They should give you 40% of the resources that comes into the state because you are his godfather. It's not going to work. Governor Fubara does not need Wike's reconciliation, which would undoubtedly come at the cost of the public purse. The statement reads, "The people of Rivers State deserves a government focused on delivering development and stability, not one entangled in endless political schemes orchestrated by individuals seeking to protect their personal interests." The association also condemned the current situation in the Rivers State House of Assembly, where factionalism has led to the creation of a parallel assembly HURIWA described, the defection of the 27 lawmakers to the All Progressive Congress (APC), and the ensuing power struggle as the direct consequences of Wike's alleged divisive politics. We know. The political crisis in Rivers State is a reflection of Wike's obsession with controlling the state, even after his tenure as a governor, HURIWA asserted. The defection of lawmakers and the emergence of a factional speaker are part of a calculated plan to weaken Governor Fubara's administration and maintain an undue grip to the state's political landscape, and all their plans is not going to work. It's not going to work at all. It's not going to work. HURIWA called on President Tinubu to take a decisive stance against actions that undermine peace accord and destabilize governance at the state level. The association urged the president to hold all parties accountable and ensure that the political actors respect the rule of law and the democratic process. The president's intervention was a step in the right direction, but it must be followed by firm action to hold accountable those who betrayed the accord. HURIWA stated, "Rivers State deserves peace, stability and development, and this can only be achieved when the rule of law prevails in this country. We don't know where the rule of law will start to prevail. I don't know when that will happen. And political actors prioritize the interest of the people over their ambition, that one, to take the grace of God, because the politicians that we have, they don't care about anybody but themselves. Their only interest is themselves and their family members. Nigerians can go to hell for all they care. They don't care about anybody but themselves alone. So until they start doing that, and that is why we are appreciative of Kemi that is speaking on our behalf, because as Nigerians, you cannot talk anyhow again. There is no freedom of speech is guaranteed, but your freedom after speech is not guaranteed. So if there are people outside the country that can speak on our behalf and show the bad things that this governors, these leaders are doing, maybe they will do right and prioritize the interest of the people over their ambitions. I really hope it will get to that. HURIWA concluded by expressing confidence in Governor Fubara's leadership and commitment to the people of Rivers State. Yes, so even me, I get confidence in Fubara. He's going to do the job. He's the man for the job. And he's not pretending. He's not pretending because he has issues with Wike. If he was a pretender in the first place, he would have accepted to Wike's everything that Wike said. He was doing what he said now. Was it not Wike that picked his cabinet members for him? Did he complain? No. But you ask him for something that he cannot do. His conscience can simply not do it. How would you tell me to be giving 40% of the state resources? Do you know how much that is? So what am I going to be doing? How am I going to do my job as the governor of the state? He didn't want to do that, and because of that, he started fighting him. Because he doesn't want to steal money for you. If he steals the money, finish now, and EFCC comes to arrest him, will you people go to prison together? No. No. You will not. So why are you pushing him to do what he doesn't want to do? The association called on the governor to remain steadfast in his effort to deliver good governance despite the challenges posed by WIKE'S political machination. No be small challenge that man don face. He has really tried, and he has been patient enough. He has tried. If he does anything now, we'll not even complain that, oh, Fubara did this. No, he has tried. He has tried. The people of Rivers State elected Governor Fubara to lead them, not to engage in endless battles with his predecessor. We urge the governor to stay focused on his mandate and continue to work for the progress and prosperity of Rivers State, HURIWA stated. I hope so. Mike Dicker says, Lord, what are these ones? HURIWA. That is what they are. If you don't know, know now. What are these ones? Akinla Olusegun says, WIKE be still, God will fight for you. I reiterate it. Which God will fight for a troublemaker? Which God will fight for somebody that likes violence, that likes trouble, that sleeps and wakes up thinking about trouble, that eats trouble, that drinks trouble? Ooh, nobody is going to fight for that kind of a person. Akinla Olusegun says, WIKE sentiments in Fubara issue is much more than the truth. Keep quiet. The first tenure will not end before the truth will start manifesting. The rivers that forget its sources dries. Be apt to it and refuse to respond. I beg, make we hear what. The river that forgets its source will dry up. A source that tells you to do something that is against your belief, that tells you to go and steal money, that wants to turn you into a dummy. You are the governor, but you will not be able to command, you will not be able to give authority. It is one Godfather that will be telling you what to do. Which kind of governorship be that one? I beg, people should leave Fubara alone, please. David Frank says, Emperor WIKE. Optimalan says, the President Tinubu complained to you that WIKE betrayed him, or you are trying to launder Fubara's image and damage WIKE in the sight of Tinubu? I beg, let's hear what. Beg, who wants to launder Fubara's image? Let's hear what, Jai. Some people just be talking what they don't know. And listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.